everyone, it's me, China here, and this event is aligned Pikachu and Charmander. Woohoo! Let's get this episode started already. Woohoo! Good morning, my wife. Good morning, my husband. Can you believe it's been a couple of days since we're married? I know. It's been crazy, huh? Yeah. Are you okay, Kat? No. I think I'm gonna... Oh, Kat. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that's not good. Mom! Mom! I'm right here, Lanning. What's going on? Kat's throwing up. Uh-oh. Has she been acting a little moody lately? Oh, well, not since yesterday. Has she been eating a lot? Now I think about it, yeah, she has. I guess that's why she's been throwing up. Well, she started throwing up this morning. Uh-oh. What uh-oh? Lightning? What? What is it? Is Kat okay? Well, those are signs of pregnancy. What? But we won't know for sure until we go get her looked at. So let's go get her looked at. Alright. Oh, my Arceus. Kat? Could be having a baby? I don't think I'm ready for this thing. Were you guys even thinking about having kids while you were on your honeymoon? I don't remember. Lightning? Maybe. Lightning! Well, I'm gonna check and see how she's doing, and then we'll take her, okay? Alright, I'm gonna call Charmander, and I'll also look at the family roundup, and then we can all go together. Alright, I'm calling Charmander for us to meet in the Pokemon Center immediately. Alright, I'm gonna go see how Kat's doing. Okay. Okay, I gotta call Charmander. Gotta call Charmander. Okay, phone. Call. Come on. Alright, we'll need to start getting a new phone. Anyways, just dial Charmander's number. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, pick up. Hello? This is China speaking. What's up? Charmander, listen, I need you to come to Pokemon Center immediately. What? What do you mean come to Pokemon Center? What's going on? Charmander, it's just an emergency about Kat. Emergency about Kat? What's going on? Well, Kat's just been throwing up a lot. Aw, poor thing. And, Mom's going to get her, looked at, okay? She's going to get some other doctors to look at her, too. Okay, sure, I'll meet you at Pokemon Center. Can I be long? Sure you can. And can you do me a favor and text my brother and tell him Grandpa Teresa and my dad and Gracie and my cousins meet me at Pokemon Center? Meet all of us there? The family has got to be here for this. Sure thing, I'll do that for you, no problem. Alright, thanks, buddy. We'll see you there. See ya! Bye. Bye! Alright. Alright. Can you guys even believe this? Kat may be pregnant. Oh, my Arceus, oh my Arceus. Lightning! Coming, Mom! Lightning! Coming, Kat! Well then, we'll see you guys in a few minutes, okay? Bye! Coming! As they arrive at Pokemon Center. Alright, Kat, come and sit down on this bed right here. Okay. So, I got a call on what happened, and we're just gonna do a quick blood test. And, yeah, blood test. Well, it's just some blood work. They have to take some blood from you, get it analyzed, and see if you're pregnant or not. It's one of the very couple of tests we usually take here. Okay. It's a lot, but alright. Alright. Well then I'll just get some blood taken away from you. And we'll go get it analyzed, and we'll come back with you the results in a few minutes, okay? Alright. Okay. Alright, this will just take a second. Okay. Eek. There we go. And I'll be right back. Okay. I'm here, Kat. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Nurse Bell just took some blood and they're gonna get analyzed to see if I am pregnant or not. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm gonna be a dad. We don't know for sure, Lightning, but still. I can't believe you even thought about doing that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I get totally what you mean. But a baby? Are we even ready for this kind of commitment, Lightning? Are we? I don't know if we can handle a baby in the house. Kat, I think we're gonna be fine. We have my mom to help. We have tons of help with Charmander, my dad, Flora, or Flower, Bolt and Pachirisu. Even Gracie will help out. Mom will help out too. Everything's gonna be fine, okay? Okay. Don't you worry, alright? I'm trying not to worry when we're in the most. I know. I love you. I love you too, Lightning. I think I'm just gonna lay down. Okay. Hey guys! Oh, Lily, what are you doing here? Well, I'm just doing volunteer work for today. Oh, okay. What are you guys doing here? Well, we're just, well, well, what's so I guess look so nervous. Okay, we'll just tell you. I'm here just to take a pregnancy test. Oh my Arceus! You're pregnant? Well we're not really know for sure, so that's why I came here. Oh my Arceus! That's awesome! Kinda. Well, if you guys are pregnant, then congratulations, both of you! Thank you. Are you okay? Is there anything I can get you? I think I'll be fine. I'm just a little shaken up from all this. That's all. Yeah, this is kind of a big shock to both of us. It hasn't been that long since you guys been married. But there is something in tiny babies. Lily, what? It's true. We're just kind of in shock right now. Okay. Meanwhile, with the nurses. Dr. Tulip? Yes, what's going on? I need you to analyze some blood for me. Analyze some blood? What for? We're doing a pregnancy test with Kat, Eevee, and Lightning. Oh, pregnancy test? Wow, it hasn't been that long since they've been married. But there's such a thing as silent babies. That does happen. Oh. Of course, just hand it to me. Here. Here's the blood sample I have. Here. Alright, I'll just put it in the machine and I'll take a look. Okay. And I'll just, how about I help you? Alright, sure. Now what are you doing here, sweetie Sprout? Oh, I'm just volunteering. I'm helping my mom today. That's sweet. We have a few volunteers that are here today. We have Lily, and we also have Phoebe. Phoebe's here? Cool! Here, let's get this analyzed. Put it in the machine, I'll take a look. Alright? Alright, let's see what's going on here. Let's see, it's scanning the blood. Let's see here. Let me think. Let's see. You see anything, Mama? Not yet, it's still scanning. Let me take a look. Oh wait, it got something. That was fast. These machines do work pretty fast, don't they? That is true. Oh my, Arceus? What's going on? Is everything okay? Kat's pregnant. Oh my, Arceus! That's amazing! Can I go tell him? Can I? Well, how about we all go tell them? Their family's here too, so. Well, let's go tell them then. I'll go tell Kat and Lightning to meet us in the lounge where the family's waiting in. Alright. Oh my gosh! I want to come see, wait for me! Alright, well, I'll go tell them the news. Well, I'll shoot them to meet their family in the main room. Oh goodness. So hold on for a minute, folks. Lightning? Kat? Huh? Oh, you're back already. That was fast. Wow, that was really fast. Yep, well, all machines work pretty quickly. But anyways, we have the results of your test, and we wait for you to come into the lounge so we tell it to all of your family. Okay. Alright. Well, follow me. Well, let's get going. Let's go. Is Sissy gonna be okay, Daddy? I'm sure Kat's gonna be just fine. But we gotta hear some news about them. I'm getting anxious. I know. Me too. Me too. Me too. Same here. Me too. I'm so nervous. I'm sure it's gonna be fun, everybody. Mommy! Hey, sweetie. Is everything okay? Is Kat okay? Well, we just took I saw Belle told me that she took some tests with Kat. They did some blood work with Kat, and well, I haven't heard any news yet, so we're just waiting here for news. We're here. Wait for me. Okay, we're all here. Oh, good. Everyone's here. So, after the blood results, well, we did some blood work on Kat, and we have the results. What is up with Kat? Is she okay? Yeah, what's going on? Well, everybody, just tell us already. Tell us, man. Don't want to tell us. Tell us, I can't wait any longer. Tell us. Well, everybody, this is going to be quite some shocking news for you, Lightning. I'm not sure you can handle it, but Kat, yes, ma'am. You're pregnant. Oh my. Arceus. Lightning? Oh, my Arceus, I'm pregnant? Oh, my Arceus!